In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your default search engine from Google to Microsoft Bing in your Chrome browser. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome browser and then head over to the three dots here and click on them. Scroll down and look for settings. Here it is. Click on it. From settings, head to the left bar and scroll down until you get to search engine. Then click on it. As you can see here, our default search engine is Google. To change it to Microsoft Bing, click on change. And here you'll find Microsoft Bing. Select it and scroll down and click on set as default. Now if you open another tab, as you can see, our search engine is Microsoft Bing and we are still on our Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me.